Hey guys, it is Mopar Monday here in West Virginia, and today we are going to unbox a couple of autoworld dart swingers at Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. So it's like a perfect Mopar Monday. Couldn't get any better than this. It's pretty much Dodge Performance Capital with a couple of great Mopars for you. So these are the latest Dart releases from autoworld A and B, as far as I know. So show you a quick look at them in the packages side by side before we open them. So the purple is the B, and then the, I don't know what you would call it, gray is the A. And I don't know, they're calling this like a gunmetal, light gunmetal. Yeah, I guess it could be. It looks more, I don't know, like a bluish gray to me, but maybe once it's out of the package, it'll look a little different. But even the wheel paint, I love the color-coded stillies with the dog dish hubcaps, poverty caps, or cop caps, police caps, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I love those little hubcaps and the color-coded or color-matched stillies. So let's go ahead and start with him. So anyways, this is your 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger 340 Special. And this one does have the stillies with the dog dish poverty caps, and it is in a not so popular color. I guess this would be probably a rare color on this car, the light gunmetal with the black tail stripe and such. So now going to the premium facts. So this is limited edition, once again, not numbered. So they probably mass produced this, but still, it's hard to find, in my opinion. It seems like when Auto Worlds get put on the pegs at Walmart, they sell out pretty instantaneous. So the 1971 Dodge Dart was not available in the US with a 340 engine. Huh, that's kind of weird. I did not know that. So let's see here. Combining resources, Crestview Dodge and Regina, Saskatchewan. Yeah, I think that is what it says. And Crosstown Motors in Edmonton, Alberta. Special ordered drivetrains from Chrysler. A limited production run of 340 equipped Dodge Dart Swingers. So that's kind of different. I did not know that. I just thought they were common actually in the States or in Canada, and anywhere the Dart was offered, I figured you could get the 340. So that's a new fact for me, because I know you could get the Demon in 71 with the 340 fairly easy, and I think the Duster also. So on the back, it shows us what is in this mix with the Moderate Muscle. You have the Shelby and the Supra, then muscle trucks. You had the 87 Chevy Silverado fleet side. Sports cars, you had the 2020 Corvette, and I believe I have that coming. And then the vintage muscle, you have the 76 Pontiac Firebird and the Swinger. So let's get him off the card and take a look at him. So I've already kind of opened it, and I've already had it displayed at my dealership. So here he is. And this is a very nicely done car. As you can see, it has the white lettered tires and the stillies with the dog dishes. Once again, love those wheels. Nice detail with the Swinger emblem on the front fender. You have your marker lights, even with the little bezel around it. You can see the chrome trim. All the trim around the windows, side windows, vent window is there. Detailed gas cap, door handles. Only thing these models are lacking are the mirrors. Very nicely done grill with the marker lights inside the grill. Your detailed headlights. This does have the bumperettes and the twin snorkel scoops. I'm going to try to focus in, and it does have a vanity plate. This is a special. So it is the special Dart Swinger 340. And then there are your twin snorkel scoops. And nice detail with the rear bumper, tail lights, trunk lock, Dart and Dodge emblems on the deck lid. Your tail stripe in black is very nicely done. Nice detail on the chassis, metal on metal as always. Mine has a little burr on the rear wheel opening, or a little bit of excess paint. But when it's sitting at the dealership, you really can't see, so not that big of a deal. Looks good with the white interior, nice detail with the black dash. Pretty cool. So that's it for our gunmetal gray, or light gunmetal. So we'll put him over here at the dealership. On the side, as you can see, he's right over there. So now moving along to the Plum Crazy 71. So we'll go with the fun backs. Only 83 units of the Dodge Dart Swainer Special were built in 71. All of them were in Canada as a special order. And then 63 units were sold from Crosstown Motors in Edmonton, Alberta, and 10 were sold at Crossview Dodge in Regina, Saskatchewan, and 2 through unknown places or sources. I can't really see what that says. Unknown sales. Okay. So, anyways, let's get him off the card and take a look at him and such. So, all right. So, yeah, and I didn't show you the engine on the gunmetal, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. And it's done in the right color, the blue, and you can see the inner fenders and firewall are painted body color, just like a real Mopar would be. So very nicely done. And then the Plum Crazy, also color coded, color matched inner fenders, firewall, and the blue engine. You can see the white washer bottle over there on the driver's fender. Once again, nice detail on the grill headlights. Also so special on its plate. And I do dig the Plum Crazy. And once again, with the rallies for autoworld, the Mopar rallies, they're okay, but they're just a little bit small in my opinion. I dig the Stillies or the Magnums most on their Mopars. The rallies, they're okay, but I prefer the Stillies or the Magnums. White tail stripe looks really good with the white interior. So pretty sweet little model. And all the details are the same as on the gunmetal. I'm just not pointing them out. This one does not have the burr on the fender. Yeah, I hate that. I got that one. And this one actually had a wheel that was coming off too. So autoworld's quality control is starting to slack a little bit compared to how it used to be. So the newer stuff is getting a little bit mass-produced and overlooked. But it is what it is. All these manufacturers are doing that nowadays, unfortunately. And they're charging more money and making less quality, in my opinion. But still, if they make it one hell of a nice car and such for American Muscle, that's probably the best manufacturer out there. The only other ones you have are Johnny Lightning, which is usually under scale, but is an affiliate of Round 2 with Autoworld. And then you have Green Light and M2 machines, which they make some nice stuff too, but their quality control is probably the worst, I think. Autoworld is going downhill too, unfortunately. I hope they fix it before it gets too bad. But anyways, this is it for today, guys, for Mopar Monday. We'll be back later in the week with probably another Autoworld vehicle. We have a ton of stuff coming in that I want to show you guys. And our eBay store should be getting new stock actually this afternoon. So check it out. We have some cool stuff coming up there. And then we will have more stuff coming the following week. So we will keep stocking our store and keep bringing you videos. So thanks for watching and enjoy your week.